mas romantic. Malamang naniniwala din siya sa zodiac compatibility. Si ate, Taurus. Si paring Kenneth naman, Leo. Match ba sila? Ang Taurus, strong-willed but more patient. Siya naman bilang Leo, masyadong self-centered at dominante. Madaming komplikasyon, pero sina Tonya at Kenneth may matinding physical and emotional attraction sa isa't isa according to their signs.
Kaya mo na yan. Arte.
Kaya kahit magpanggap pang dinglet ang lola nyo at magsuplado ang broken-hearted na si Kuya, pwede pa rin mahulog sa isa't isa at magkapalitan ng warmest.
Bakla?
Ay, kagat. Oo! I heart you, pare!
Just one love, and I never had a chance. There and then I knew I'd fall in love with you. You should know that you had me at hello. I was Juliet, and you're my Romeo. You're my superhero, save me from this sorrow, sweep me up my feet and fly me away. You are my dreaming, you're my own Stevie. Brad Pitt and George Clooney don't stand a chance. You're my one and only true romance. Just one kiss, you swept me off my feet, and my heart was beating faster than it should. Just one smile, and it's like a carpet ride. I can hear the song, a whole new world with you. You're my Bieber fever, you're my Ashton Kutcher. I am going Lady Gaga for you. You're my dreaming, you my own but Stevie. Brad Pitt and George Clooney don't stand a chance. You're my one and only true romance. I'll be yours forever and a day. Our love is here to stay. Loving you is easy, though it might sound cheesy. I'm a girl just standing in front of a pole, asking him to love her. You're my superhero, save me from the sorrow, sweep me up my feet and fly me away. You're my one and only true
Thank you! Come on, boys!
All right, ladies and gentlemen,
Sir Gene Velasquez
Gene
Alcacid.
Velasquez.
Oo, bago lahat, grabe, napakaganda nung song na kinanta mo.
Thank you very much. This is my latest single under Universal, and the title of the album, of course, is Fantasy. Title po ng kanta na ito ay True Romance. Gawa to ni Jano Gibbs.
Ayun,
Nice.
kaya pala.
Nice.
Galing-galing.
And in-arrange ni Mon Faustino. Ayan, tapos may bago tayong show.
Oo nga, balita ko nga. Ito nga, ito na.
Tama.
I Heart You, pare. Malapit na malapit na. Malapit na malapit.
Ay,
Next week,
fun.
abangan nyo ang aming grand promo dito, of course,
Yes.
sa Party Pilipinas.
Yes, you know, I'm having a great time working with Ding Dong. Parang wala lang, ang saya-saya. At plus, of course, bakla po ako dito.
Ay, ganun ba?
Ano?
Dapat di mo sinabi. Kasi, grabe.
Sabagay, mukha naman akong alien doon. So, alien po
O
pala
kasi
ako.
baka masira yung paghahanap ko kay Tonya.
Ay, wag ako muna. Alien pala ako, alien.
Wala ko dito. Dito lang.
Bakla!
Guys,
Alam mo.
pwede ka ba mag-guest doon?
Oo, sana.
Oo.
Si Cassandra.
Cassandra Montero. Cassandra Bonga. Sana.
Ayoko, mas maganda siya sa akin.
Never mind, I will not na lang. Okay, so, Regine?
Yes. Sa February 7, mapapanood nyo na po ang I Heart You Pare dito lang po sa GMA
Heart
pagkatapos ng Machete, ng abs ni Alger. Yes.
Alam mo,
Thank you
well, si
very much.
Alger will never, ever be able to put his shirt back on. Ever.
Thank you
Matatagalan
very
yan,
much to
matatagalan.
Dr. Bello and the Bello Medical Group. Fresh Look, Daily Contact Lenses, Berto Cavalli. Thank you very much. And huwag niyo kalimutan, February 7. I Heart You Pare.
Yun, tama.
Pare.
I Heart You,
Heart You,
pare.
pare.
Isang makulay na show na maraming makukulay na tao.
Yes.
Diba? Alright, another all-star number is coming up. Kaya tumutok lang para I Heart You, pare.
Grabe.
Pare.
I Heart You.
Pare.